নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সকলকে স্বাগত জানিয়ে এপিসোড নাম্বার 71 সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার এপিসোড অন ডুপি এন্ড টাসার বেনারসি। সুতরাং স্টার্ট করি। একদম নতুন কালেকশন নিয়ে আজকে এসেছি। আগের এপিসোডের শাড়িগুলোর অনেকেই আপনারা এনকোয়ারি করছেন, সেগুলো আমি এখন আর দিতে পারছি না, কিন্তু ওই টাইপের শাড়ি কিন্তু যেগুলো নতুন আরো বুনে এসছে ওরকম কিছু সম্ভার আজকে দেখাবো। The previous episodes products that you are still inquiring, most of them are sold out. So something similar but new designs. Today I'll be showing you in Dupi and Tussar pure handloom Banarasi. So this is a lovely shade of mustard and Meena border. It has 2-3 colors border, Rani and red and orange mustard. There are 2-3 shades, Meena weaving border. And there is buta in gold mustard with gold zari buta all over. This is the look of the sari because it has a lovely woven border. This is all pure Banarasi and all hand woven. And this is the pallu. The pallu will be in red. Just see the beautiful weave in the pallu and a lovely scarlet color blouse piece. So mustard and red combination. Of course, this is a very Shubha combination. We love this combination for any kind of rituals also. Product number 1, 12,500 rupees, pure Tussar Banarasi hand woven sari, soft, very good feel, and it has a lovely, not very shiny and not matte also. So it is in between and it has a lovely fall also. So we love this fabric and we have repeat orders for these, but since these are handloom products and one piece, so whatever I'll be showing you all single piece collection, new designs. So 12,500 product number 1. Now product number 2, peacock blue with purple border, dual tone. See the color, very rich deep turquoise blue color in dual tone. See the border, it is mauvish purple color border, lavender kind of a dual tone, again dual tone for the border also. And this is the pallu. Price 12,500 rupees, product number 2, pure Tussar Dupian Banarasi. This is the contrast blouse piece in lavender. This is the sari. The whole sari will be with the same running concept, and if you like the products, kindly take the screenshot of the product along with the description that is provided below each product. So and send it to the WhatsApp number 98311, that number, or 76032. There's another number there also. You can check out in any of the numbers. So and WhatsApp me. Once it's available, I'll give you the bank details, and then after transfer, we'll ship it to you. Cash on delivery only possible in Kolkata. Just see the lovely fall of the sari. This is the look. Product number 2. 76032. Again, I'm forgetting. Just see. I'm aging. So this is another color. Lovely magenta and dual tone, Rani magenta combination in dual tone with Meena border, Nakshi Meena border. See these weaves in between the zari weave. These are the Meena weaves in between in orange and pink combination. This is the sari. This is the pallu. Price 13,900 rupees. And here goes the woven blouse piece, all over jal woven blouse piece. So it's a very rich concept sari, and it's ideal for the brides also, and also if you want to go to any weddings, for anniversaries. These are actually traditional saris and these are evergreen saris. Main the rich color enhances the border. This is in bottle green, 13,900 again. 13,900 bottle green, small butta, Meena border. This is the whole overall look. Product number 4. Pallu, again with Meena woven border. Here is the contrast jal woven blouse piece. See, it's a lovely piece, and especially when you will wear it with this blouse, it will look very, very rich. Absolutely contrast blouse piece, and here is the whole body with small butta and Nokshi woven border. We love these weaves from the land of temples. All these Banarasi is hand woven. We love these weaves because these are all traditional saris and these are pride of Varanasi. This is in dark navy. With purple border, navy and purple, a very unique combination. See the weave in the pallu. Most of these are antique zari, 13,900 blouse piece. And this. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Both are in Ballygunge, and we have no other branches, only two branches, and we are a 25-year-old flagship store, so you can visit both the branches for more options, but to get this particular product, prior booking is necessary. You'll get more dupions, but maybe if you want the exact color, the exact border, the exact booty, then of course you have to pre-book it. And for booking, of course, there are the numbers provided. We can courier it to you to your destinations. Blouse tailoring unit is also available. Provided you give us the measurements, we can send you the pattern. This is rich wine color. It's deep magenta kind of a wine color. Very pretty color with woven border. To see the border, product number 6, and the price is 13,900 again. This is the pallu, this is the blouse piece, reverse woven brocade blouse piece. This is reverse woven, see, because the zari is not woven on the motif, it's woven outside the motif, so it's like reverse katha. It's the reverse weave. This is the weave, and this we've left it with resham weave. Very pretty piece, and of course we love this color. Burgundy, magenta, peacock blues, these are our bottle greens. These are our favorite colors in Banarasi. So I'll show you all very rich, unique colors today. So those who are waiting for Banarasis can go for these. Just see the weave and the fall of the product. The jal weave. Yes, this is also very much in demand because it has a very rich look and very minimum range according to its hand weave. 15,900 rupees, and see the look. All jal weave, hand woven in antique zari, and this is the contrast border, but not very contrast. We've kept the color tone more or less same. Pallu, blouse piece. Since the body is fully in jal weave, the blouse is plain with the border. How lovely this is. In the previous few orders, there was slightly delay in the delivery. I apologize for that. There was the holy holidays because it was on a Saturday, Sunday, and then the elections in Kolkata. So that's why the shipping, even though we were open, the courier, and there were few lockdowns in various states, so delay was definitely there. I apologize for that, but then this is the new normal now. So this is the sari, Dupian Banarasi, 15,900. Another purple color, the first time in this episode, but this is also a very rich color. Just see the bright purple shade. How does it look? With border, see, Petni woven border, Meena, product number 8, 13,900. Pallu, blouse piece, here. I'm opening all the saris for you to check out the fall of the product, how it looks on draping, and also the overall, here the buta till the end. These are the few things that matter. So this is the whole look of the product with the blouse piece. Wear a long sleeve blouse with this because these are all hand woven beauties. So don't waste the fabric. A black and magenta. If you like the products, kindly take the screenshot and send it to the WhatsApp number provided. If you like, please share, like and subscribe, and leave comments whatever you feel about the episode, about the products. Black and magenta, rich border, same woven border. Pallu, 13,900 again with blouse piece. Just see the blouse piece, how rich it is. Definitely you will stand out in the crowd. And black and magenta, of course, looks very nice. Number 10. Oh my God, this was so much in demand last time. Even few days back, I got 2-3 enquiries for this. So, ma'am, those who were wanting this, and I had told you that I would be doing an episode soon. So, you see, plain sari, no buta, border pallu concept with contrast blouse. This is in dark midnight blue. Just border pallu concept, very sleek. You can wear it to not only in weddings, to any semi-formal occasions also. 13,500. Just see the rich pallu and of course the lovely contrast woven blouse piece. Since the body is plain, I've kept the blouse very rich and contrast, and just see the Meena Buta weave, how gorgeous it's looking. This is the So all the colors are pretty in this. I'll show you few more colors. Another color, the same color that I am wearing, burgundy, border pallu concept again. See this weave, how gorgeous it's looking. And here is the blouse piece. Pink blouse piece, dark pink with burgundy color. I don't think I've shown you the back side of the product, so here it is. Yeah, this is the blouse piece and here is the back side of the blouse piece. Of course, you have to give lining, so it doesn't matter anyway, but still the finish is important. This is the sari. 13,500 burgundy border pallu concept. This is the second color that I'm showing you. I'll show you, I think, few more colors. This is the sari. Very sleek, smart border. Now comes magenta. 12, number 12. Magenta and Rani color combination. The Rani is the blouse. Here goes the blouse piece. Here goes the pallu. Very gorgeous, especially when you make the blouse done. You can make full sleeve also, or you can make, glass sleeves like I am wearing. Very smart look, very smart because of the whole concept and the lovely fabric. This is really lovely fabric. Just see the border weave. Okay, now comes again another favorite color with corner buta. Slate and lavender. The border. All over smart, very small buta. Contrast pallu and blouse piece. Product number 13, 13,500. Rich, gorgeous, hand-woven Banarsis. Burgundy and navy. 14, number 14, burgundy navy. Konya buta. It's the traditional name that we give for a corner buta. The weavers say this is Konya buta. This is the lovely weave in the corner. See the blouse and the pallu. 13,500 again. This is the blouse piece. Very good quality. These are the best quality by master weavers. In this fabric, this is the best quality possible. Yeah. Now this is another new design which I have not shown you before. This is specially woven for this episode. Leher. Leher weave in Dupian Banarasi. I was showing Jal weave. Now here comes the Leher weave. It looks very smart when you wear it. After wearing, it's a figure correction weave actually. When wearing, this pattern takes a lovely shape. It's rich wined with red combination, product number 15, and the price is 14,900 rupees. Rich pallu, blouse piece in contrast, dual tone of course, and here is the whole sari weave in leher style, and till the end. I'll show you few lovely colors in this. That was wine color. This comes the burgundy color. Blouse piece. Same price. Here. 14,900 with BP. Black. With magenta. $14,900, product number 17, pallu, blouse piece, whole sari leher weave. Navy, these are all the new shades that have come. So I want to show you all the colors because many of you can't come to the store now. See the weave, antique zari, but still it has so rich look. 14,900 pallu. This is the blouse. We have the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where there is heirloom collection in the photo album, where you can see more options of these Banarasis, and these will be uploaded in Facebook page also, the still pictures. There's the Insta page also. Both the links are provided in the description part. So you just have to press the bell icon to get regular notifications. So in that case, you will get the full range of stock. You won't be able to, you don't have to compromise with the leftover ones. So you please press the bell icon, and of course there's a store. You can visit the store if possible. Now this is the one that I'm wearing, Meena Buta. Again a new weave, 15,500. It is with this lovely weave border, and see the Meena Buta. This is vermilion color, orangish red, tomato red color. Buta, same as I am wearing. Few are with the jal blouse. Like for this, the blouse is in purple jal weave. This is the sari, and this is the blouse piece. The purple jal weave with this sari, 15,900. Few are with plain, like what I am wearing. This is, I'll just show you the one that this price is 13,900 because the jal weave is not there. I'll just show you this color also. It's burgundy color. Burgundy with the same woven Nakshi border. Of course, the border is also different, but it's in Nakshi only. See the lovely Meena weave in the butta, and here is the blouse piece with this. ₹13,900. 13,900. This is the pallu. And the bangles is also available. Pair of bangles. 1950 is the pair of bangles. The neck piece along with this jhumka, 3,600. The neck piece with the jhumka, 3,600 rupees. The set. Just see the work, the filigree work, the design. There's tassels at the back. 13,900 because it has the plain BP like the one that I am wearing. See the color. Neither red nor maroon nor pink. It's a lovely shade. Of course, it's a short color sari. It's a Rani red color combination. See the Meena border, Konya butta, pallu, blouse piece in Rani. This is 13,900 because it doesn't have the jal blouse. Two more colors, I'll just show you in short. Product number 22, 13,900. Wine color. With Rani blouse. Blouse piece. Sari, just see the pallu, the weave of the pallu. $13,900 Rani blouse piece. And the last one, burgundy. So similar tone. So you have options because the pallu is different, the butta is different. So in that way you'll have few options. $13,900. See the border is also different, and the blouse is in magenta. So it's purple and magenta, burgundy and magenta, purplish burgundy. Thank you so much for watching. Keep loving, keep sharing and keep supporting. Namaskar.